Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to do this 2-string top knot head wrap. It's very easy, but then again it's very complicated. But once you keep doing more and more of them, you actually get it down pretty easily. The things you would need is a strip of fabric. This is double brush poly fabric, but you can also use any type of stretch fabric. And I have a needle and thread. You can use either a needle and thread, you can use an elastic band. And the first thing you want to do is take your fabric and cut a strip out. I have mine's cut at, basically I just cut the whole yard. So I have 5 inches by, I think this is 5 inches by 31 times 2, so that'll be 62 inches long. The height is just how thick you want the head wrap to wrap around the child's head. And you will also need boards. Now, I have all these boards. I have a newborn board, I have a baby board, I have a toddler board, toddler/kid, and then I have an adult board. I will put in the description of how you can make these boards because they're real easy to make. You can make it with a foam board, or you can just take the measurements in the video and just go get your boards cut yourself, save you some money. The first thing I'm going to do is take my board. I want to take the infant board, the baby board, and I'm just gonna make sure my fabric is even, and then I'm gonna, with double brush poly, it tends to fold over, so I'm gonna figure out which side folds over, and I'm gonna make sure it's even. Then I'm gonna put my board in the middle of it. Again, I'm gonna make sure it's even again. And then next I'm going to, if you have a rubber band, you can use a rubber band, but I'm just gonna use needle and thread, and I'm just gonna ball this up. I'm gonna take my needle and thread and just wrap it around, and I'm gonna go through the knot that I tied on the other end. That way it's secured. That way it's, so I'm just gonna tie this, and as I'm just gonna pull these apart just to make the string tighter. I'm gonna separate it, and then I'm just gonna pull to make the knot tighter. And then I'm just gonna take my needle and thread and wrap it around a couple times. And I'm gonna loop it through the thread and finish it off. And then I'm just gonna cut it, the extra needle and thread off. So what you're gonna do next is, now this part, it depends on how you want your centerpiece to be. If you do the twisties tight, you get a more tighter look, or if you do them loose, it depends on how you want your bow to look. So like you're doing twisties in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make the twist tighter. It's kind of like you're doing here. Then I'm gonna take my tablet or something heavy, place it on so it doesn't move. twist tighter. Slide this back. I'm gonna make the twist a little tighter. And I'm just twisting across each other and under, on top and under, on top and under, on top and under. So I'm gonna keep doing that till I get like a good decent amount. Twist it. And then if it start messing up, just go back, unravel it some, and do it again. I want how this piece is turning out. Of the fabric. So what I'm gonna do is bring the fabric, hold the fabric up in the air, and then let it circle around. Let it circle around. To how you want it, and then I'm gonna bring it to the middle. And play with it so I can get it how I want it. Put that a little tight. It's gonna go under. And then what you're gonna do is make sure it's tight. And then I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna glue that down. And then you just fix it. Again, you want to play around until you get it how you want it done. And this is the back of it. And this is how the front looks. Now this part will be facing down and this part will be up. And to go ahead and secure it, just put some hot glue around it so it can stick, or you can sit here and hand sew the pieces together. But this is what the back of it will look like. So yeah, you just play with it until you get it how you like it. Just like that. Thank you all again for watching this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.